everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys remember, I made some air dry clay on my last video and I promised to make something with it. In case if you guys have not seen the video, I will link this video on that I button over there. Please do give it a look. And on this video, as you can see in the thumbnail, I'm going to make this cute planter with the same air dry clay I made last week. So watch the video till the end, and if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right away and hit the red subscribe button over there and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. I'm going to use this clay which I made in my last video along with this round moisturizer container as a base. Take out a little amount of clay, and before working with clay, I always like to put some powder or any such materials so that the clay will not stick to the surface. Start spreading the clay, roll it with something like a roller. I'm doing it with a spray bottle, so yes, you can just use anything. Make sure it is long enough to cover the whole container. On the bottom and the upper part, spread it like this, with a mild pressure with your fingers. It's always a better idea to use something as a base, but you can always make something without the base. I have already made a such pot on one of my previous videos. If you guys wanna have a look, I'll link the video on the description. After you are done, just take some water and rub the surface with it. It will give you a smooth surface and will help to smoothen up all the uneven areas. Let's make the face now. And there is no suggestion on how to do it. Be creative and any kind of cute face will look good. I'm trying to give it a little oval shaped cow face. Here we go with the face. Then, making its ears, make sure it goes with the face well. To attach the ears, just make some random cut marks on the area where you are going to join and apply some water. It will stick perfectly, or for extra securance you can use glue as well. And this is how it's gonna look like. With the same manner, make the horns as well. Blend the edges of the joining areas like this so that there will be no crack marks later on. Attach the horn and making two eyes like this, attach them too. Then attach the head on the body like this. And this is how it will look. Now I am going to attach this 4 round portion as its legs. It will take almost 24 hours or might take more to dry it up completely. After we dried completely, we are going to color the pot. So basically I left this empty portion on the bottom so that I can make a hole. If I'm going to put soil in here, you guys can cover it up completely. For coloring, as a base coat, use acrylic color or gesso, either of them. Gesso is my personal favorite. I'm going with gesso. Color each and every corner of the whole pot. After that, with the help of a marker, drawing some random patches on the whole body. And later on, filling them up with a black acrylic color. Using the same colors on the legs, eyes and the horns as well. And lastly, enhancing the whole look with this pretty pink color. You guys can also apply varnish on the top. So this cute planter is almost ready. Add a little plant, maybe artificial or maybe natural, and this will look super cute anywhere. So that's all for today guys. Let me know how do you like it. See you again next week. Bye bye.